Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Meriwether County in west central Georgia, southeastern Troup County in west central Georgia, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Odessaville, or near Greenville, moving west at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include LaGrange, Greenville, Manchester, Warm Springs, Raleigh, Mountsville, Louise, Odessaville, Stovall, Big Springs, Durand, Voss Crossroads, Harris City, Smith's Crossroad, and Jones Crossroads. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.